Stop your leaking balcony without removing tiles. United Trade Links are specialists in the non-destructive repair of leaking balconies. We will remove all old and ineffective grout and provide a deep clean to remove any surface contaminants. A new layer of EPG epoxy grout will be applied to bring all joints back to new. All internal joints will be applied with a flexible, high-quality polyurethane for maximum sealing. Finally, we apply 2 coats of Colour Seal waterproofing membrane that is guaranteed for 15 years. And with our clear penetrating sealing service, we guarantee that your tiles and grout will stay stain resistant for up to 10 years or we'll retreat the surface free. We also offer full waterproofing membrane replacement and retiling services. Call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or visit our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.